To add a store to Wix, start by logging into your Wix account and clicking on the Add Store button. This will take you to the Wix e-commerce platform where you can set up your online store. Choose a store template that fits your business needs and customize it as desired. Next, add products to your store by clicking on the Add Product button. Fill in the product details such as name, description, price, and images. You can also set up product variations, such as different sizes or colors, and add shipping and tax information. To manage your store, navigate to the Wix Store Manager. From here, you can view and manage your orders, track inventory, and set up payment and shipping options. You can also use the Wix Store Manager to offer discounts and promotions to your customers. To set up payment options, go to the Payment section of the Wix Store Manager and choose from a variety of payment providers, such as PayPal or credit cards. Make sure to set up shipping options as well, including shipping rates and estimated delivery times. To ensure a smooth and successful online store, make sure to optimize your product pages with high-quality images and detailed product descriptions. Use Wix built-in SEO tools to optimize your store for search engines and make it easy for customers to find your products. Regularly update your store with new products, promotions, and content to keep your customers engaged and coming back for more. Use Wix Analytics tools to track your store's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your business. By following these steps, you can create a successful and profitable online store on Wix.